This is Crypto Royal bringing to you the daily Hamster combat morse code, and with today's code is Ethereum. Ethereum. You will have to spell it completely. Ethereum, represented using the morse code. The morse code. E stands for A. Dot for E, long for T, four shots dots for H, a long for E, a short for E, a short long shots for R, dots for E, and dot long for U, and two long tabs for M. So let's go over. You have it as, first of all, we have to do the three tabs, 1, 2, 3. The code changes, so you have this, E, you have long, you have 3 shots, 1, 2, 3, 4, sorry, 4 shots. You have dots for E. Then let's check out the R is dot slash. Okay, shots, long, shots. R comes out. Then you have an E, so you have E, then you have short, long for your U, then you have two longs, that's it. I'll take the price. Alright, I hope this helps. Alright, kindly click on my bio to join my Telegram channel, where I'll be bringing you more of this. Thank you.